Hello, my name is Frank, and I created Myownnetworth, a financial app designed for the middle class. So if you live paycheck to paycheck, or you're a little lean on money and like to grow it, this app is for you. So why did I create it? It's very simple. We're losing the middle class. I want to see if I can help. This app is user-friendly. It's easy to understand. And I want to thank everyone who has already joined. And we're building it up to where we can start the Pay Your Bill program. Many people have asked, so what's the difference between Monarch Money and Myownnetworth? Well, let's take a look. Let's compare the two apps. Monarch Money was created by former employees of Microsoft and Mint. They received $75 million to get the company going, and the company is now valued at $850 million. Myownnetworth will never get that big because the more we make, the more we share with our subscribers. I have no investment capital. I started with my own money. I'm on a mission to help the middle class. Okay, let's go talk about pricing. The price of Monarch Money is $99 a year, while Myownnetworth is $149.99. Myownnetworth has a Pay Your Bill program, which Monarch does not. Security is very important to Myownnetworth. For that reason, we don't want to know who you are. So make up a new email like bubblegum@blankblank.com, and password can be like strawberry. We also do not have feeds to other sites. Monarch has connected over 13,000 financial institutions as well as Zillow. Sending information to other sites increases the chances of your data being stolen. Selling data is big business, and Myownnetworth wants nothing to do with it. Let me tell you a story. My sister had her mail taken out because she had a mailbox out on the street. Someone took her mail and stole her identity. Once she saw a bunch of withdrawals going out of her bank account, she notified the authorities. They found someone living her life with her identity living on the East Coast. We care about you, your family, and rebuilding the middle class. Myownnetworth is a great app for kids. When I saw a video that I linked actually below, that you can see how if a child starts with a little bit of money in the beginning of right when they're born, by the time they're 65, they're going to be a millionaire. I'm in my middle 60s now, and boy, did I wish I had something like that. So let's make it possible for our kids and grandkids, with the help of parents as well as the grandparents, to work on Myownnetworth together, teach them finance, and let them learn investing and have a secure financial future. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the Pay Your Bill program. When I started this app, I said beyond educating the customers on their financial decisions, I like to help pay their bills as well. So after we pay off the initial debt, we're going to need about 2,000 people to sign, so we're getting closer and closer. Once we do that, we're going to start sharing in the profits. And what we'll do is that you can send us your email and we can contact you if we select your name. If you don't want to participate, don't. It's whatever you want to do. But our goal is to help not only have you pay for an app, but see if we can help pay your bills to help make your money grow. Thank you. All right, in conclusion, both are great apps. Monarch Money is great for budgeting and linking to bank accounts. Myownnetworth is designed for the middle class, for those just starting to look at money for the first time and see if their money is growing, and to create scenarios to see how they can make their financial situation better. It's also a great app for kids who want to start learning about finance. We are not financial advisors, so please consult a family member, a financial advisor, or someone that you trust. Thank you very much.